Welcome to our creative journey where we transform ordinary materials into extraordinary decor. Today, we'll focus on creating an upcycled pallet key holder featuring a stylish turnkey rack. This project is not just a way to declutter your space, but it's also a fantastic opportunity to engage your creativity and make something truly unique for your home. Using pallets for decor is a trend that has gained immense popularity, and for good reason. They're readily available, inexpensive, and incredibly versatile. Plus, upcycling pallets is an eco-friendly way to repurpose materials that might have otherwise gone to waste. For this project, you'll need a pallet, a turnkey rack, some basic tools, and a little bit of creativity to bring it all together. Start by choosing the right pallet. Make sure to pick one that's in good condition, free from splinters, and without any significant damage. Once you've selected your pallet, give it a good wash to remove any dirt or debris. If you want to enhance the rustic charm, consider lightly sanding the surface to create a smooth finish that's pleasant to the touch. Next, it's time to customize your palette. You may want to paint it in your favorite color or leave it natural for a more industrial look. If you choose to paint, be sure to use non-toxic paint or wood stain to keep the project safe for your home. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Now, let's talk about the turnkey rack. These are often made from metal or wood and come in various designs. When selecting your rack, think about the aesthetic you want to achieve. Do you prefer a vintage look or something more modern? Once you've chosen your rack, measure it to determine where it will fit best on your pallet. Position the rack on the pallet and mark the drilling holes with a pencil. Drill holes accordingly, securing it with screws. Make sure the rack is sturdy and can hold your keys and other small items without wobbling. This step is crucial for functionality as well as aesthetics. To enhance the visual appeal, consider adding some decorative elements to your pallet key holder. You might attach small shelves or hooks for additional storage options. This could be the perfect spot for a decorative plant, a framed photo, or a cute sign that says keys. Remember, the goal is to make it not only practical, but also a statement piece. Once everything is assembled, it's time to hang your new key holder on the wall. Choose a prominent location where it's easily accessible for you and your family. Make sure to secure it on the wall properly, using appropriate wall anchors if needed, to ensure that it can hold the weight of the items you'll be hanging. As you hang your key holder, take a moment to appreciate the transformation you've created. This project not only helps keep your keys organized, but also adds a touch of personality to your decor. Every time you grab your keys, you'll be reminded of the creativity and effort that went into making it. Finally, consider sharing your completed project with family and friends. Social media platforms are a great way to showcase your work, and you might just inspire someone else to embark on their own upcycling adventure. Don't forget to tag us, or use a specific hashtag related to Upcycled Decor so we can see your amazing creations. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you joining us for our Upcycled Pallet Key Holder project. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and projects. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in upcycling and DIY decor. We love hearing from you, so feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thank you again for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next creative adventure.